Hi everyone, this is Erika Lindstrom. Sometimes I get questions if I'm a real person or just a robot. So I thought I'd just record this video for you so you can see that I'm a perfectly normal person. I'm almost 45 years old. I'm a mother of 3. I record this video right now in the living room we have. I live in the northern part of Sweden. And in the end of November 2017, I found an ad from SFM. And I thought it was a scam in the beginning, to be honest, but something in that video ad caught my attention, and I listened to what Martin had to say, the guy who recorded the video. And he sent me some videos which I watched, and I decided to give SFM a trial because there was this 30-day money-back guarantee if I tried out the first module. Anyhow, since then I have been a student at SFM, and I learned a lot about digital marketing. And also I found out so much about my own value, what I have to provide for other people. So now I'm actually helping other people to build up their own businesses online. I have been marketing now for 16 months. And actually, I'm quite close to replace my previous income as a manager before I quit that job. And I almost now have replaced that income from the income of affiliate business for SFM. So I'm just in the beginning of my journey. But as you can see, it can be quite profitable if you are listening to the leaders, what they are teaching you, and do everything step by step. In the beginning, I put in a lot of time. Every day I did something for my new business. Even though I didn't know what to sell, I had no business idea, I didn't know how I should do this business, how to build everything, how long time, how expensive, nothing of that I knew. But I just trusted the leaders, and I did what they told me to do, and I took everything step by step. And here I am. I have a business now, and it's going quite well. And in the end of this year, I can take a decision if I want to work at my ordinary work or not. I now am a teacher on part-time in Sweden, and I really enjoy that. So, but just have the possibility to choose what I really want to do, that is true freedom, according to me. So I hope this gives you some idea who I am, what I'm doing, how I look like, and that I am a real person. If you feel that you also want to try out SFM, you have a button just below this video, and you can also find a link somewhere around this video. If you click that one, you will come to an application for SFM. There is an application because SFM only want members that are serious and they have good value for others. They want to help others. This is not a company who teaches how to be a scam online. We want to be really, really serious about that. So that's why it's an application, actually. But you will find out that this community inside SFM is amazing, and you will never be left alone because you will have thousands and thousands of questions along the way, and that's why it's so important to never be alone in this journey. So if you're ready to try this out, don't be afraid. You also have the same guarantee as I have, 30-day money back guarantee. So actually you have nothing to lose. Okay? I see you on the inside. Bye bye.